Tonight, the main power generator suffered catastrophic failure resulting in power rationing. 20 years of the regional assistance mission to the Solomon Islands. And 2 Niue high school students on their way to the Caribbean.
This is government of Niue. We interrupted a program to transmit emergency alert. United States of America is going test a missile on Niue. Joe Biden didn't know there's people in Niue. Don't worry, there's 6 planes are going to New Zealand. If 2 minutes are over, all planes are taken off, and if 4 minutes are over, the missile will hit the Niue.
Meanwhile,
all planes has been taken off, 2 minutes left to missile hit the Niue.
meanwhile,